Hi guys, today I can make a little one. And guess who it is? It's Pikachu. We just need like one paper of a piece paper and make the other things in this one. And we just need now like the colors. And I can show you the things. We need this one. It comes a lot of things. I just carried the car. It has more. Here's the little thing. That's my other pencil. And I have other paper. And here's a sample. Here is 20 markers. It comes, it has 20 markers. You can see it has 20 markers. This time I discovered what I was trying to make. You saw it has some menu stars. And actually, I can make this color the two colors. But they're only there. And in this one, wait, I forgot. Here's some samples. Here has a lot of things. I don't know. This one is the sharpen, erasers and highlighter, crayon, and this is the melody pencil, remember? And the finger needed. And today is hot, then you can make it quickly while you know how to make it. Now, first, I think I can make what's this one still. Please don't crack it. Open it. When it's hot, it's dirty, so much. It's really hot, and I think we can start. Now, get started like this. Here. Oh, we forgot the face. And here's the stripe. It only has one stripe, then let's put this here. And here's the mouth. It kind of looks cute. And here's the bottom. Here's the eyes. It's cute. Still is cute. Forgot the nose. And now, we forgot the body. Here's his body. And now I think we forgot his tail. Then it's hard to make it. I'm making it. What the? Is this how you make the tail? Then this is how you make it. I knew it. Now it was hard. Now let's make the hands. Oh, we forgot he makes some like hearts. Then I don't think we can make it. But we just love that thing. And wait, we forgot the arms. And here's the arms. And here's the other. It's like counting up two other things. Now we can color it. This was the stems there. Let's love it. There. And now I think we can use the two colors. Now, Which one do you think I can do first? The tail? It's this color and the color is this one. But I think I can start with, he's always on the side, then always on the side he needs to be like this color. It's this color what he likes. This white and this color. Then here is his done. And then this is not but the color of gold, and this is what the gold go with the brown. Once you color it, you need to start over. But don't remember to not color it. And here, we're almost done in his head. Here, it's solid. After we get color black. Now we don't have to do it the body, the legs. Now after we can do it the tail. Now, oh, we forgot. He has some peaks. We forgot it. We forgot it. We have it. What color is that? I go. Okay, I need to go do this one. I think it makes here. It's gonna look the same red as this one. That's strange. Here. Can you like it? Now we get like, I think we get the brown for the, wait, forgot it. Here. Here. The other. It's gonna look so much the same. Now I think we can go with, we need to go with little again for his body. Now it's getting cuter. We never saw it before. Now we forgot the other leg. And the other. Now I think we can make the tail. But he has the other stripe is like the same as him. This stomach is lighter, then it's like this. It's the curve. As how I did it, it's the curve. It's like this, how we keep doing it. Then we put it here. And now we continue. And we're almost done. And then after we need black and the other color. Black and the other color. I think we can color the eyes. This is cute. And the gray. Here and here. Now we're done. Now we need to color this one. The color pink. I like the looks there. We can color it. Now we're done. Now I think we need to start cutting it. At least this is one. This is going faster. But for that, here, here. So start and go around. Here's one thing. And here. Put this all in the box. Now here, after we get one of it, it doesn't really get me. Oh my god. We almost done the thing. Oh my god. It's almost done. Here. And I forgot the other, and it's just that's it. Done. Now let's use it bigger. Now I just want to that here. Done. And I think now we can start. I'll stop that. Now I think we can. Wait, I forgot the scissors. Now I think we can play a little. It looks really cute, and I really like it. And he also gets soft. Then I also can be it. When we don't have them like this, that's the thing we can make it. We can make from the color. Like he's very different. Like he gets stuck in his tail. Like I think it's like sometimes he's holding something. Oh, he holds right here. But he keeps like holding it. He just walks. He just walks. I think this is gonna be his bed. And here's the bathroom where he likes. I think this is the bed because it's the bed. And I think this can be the doors. And this is really fun. Now he's in the bed still. He's still on the bed. But how he keeps the guy still. Now here, like I don't have much. Then he's throwing the kitten. That's gonna be the kitten. Like she eats the fruit. Wait, we forgot to eat the bus. We need to push down. Wait, this is not push down. Is this idiot? He's right there. He's ate all the white things. Now he's done. Now, Fig is but then wait, he just ran out. I think he's played do you need to hold it and, oh, that's one. He was playing it. Now he's played the toys. Now here's the color, the fearful where he's like lemon in the sun. So, I forgot how we discussed. I think it was like this way, no, it didn't. Let's just work out this here. Now here. Goodbye, guys. At home, you can ask for help and subscribe for more videos. Goodbye. You say goodbye. Let's give him his dish. Goodbye.